Masayang masaya ang mga San Antonio Spurs dito sa kanilang pagkakapanalo. And for the first time, nakatungtong din sila sa NBA Finals ni Victor Wembanyama. Grabe ang young core na to. Ano-ano kayang sinabi nila dito ni Wemby? Matapos sila dito mag-champion ni kabayan sa Western Conference. History na naman ito sa kauna-unahan. Ngayon lang nakatungtong ang rookie sa NBA Finals.
I'm absolutely loving the emotion here by Wemby. Unbelievable. On the biggest stage, this is what you want to see, a young team.
So yun, kakatapos lang dito ng laban ng San Antonio Spurs versus Oklahoma City Thunder sa final score na 111-103. Grabe ang naging labanan dito sa home court ng OKC. Longkot ang inabot dito ng defending champion.
Man was fabulous tonight. Shai Gilgeous-Alexander, significant supporting role. In the championship.
Ito sa San Antonio Spurs ang nakapagtala dito ng double figure. Pinapangunahan niya dito ni Victor Wembanyama na may 22 points, 7 out of 15 sa field goal, 6 rebounds, 2 steal and 1 block. At sinusundan naman yan dito ni Champagnie na may total of 20 points, 6 out of 10 ang kanyang naipasok sa 3-point line. Samantalang solid on the bench naman si Dylan Harper na may 12 points at pati na rin itong 6th man of the year na may 11 points na si Keldon Johnson. Habang dito naman sa OKC, todo buhat naman itong si Shai Gilgeous-Alexander na nakapagtala dito ng 35 points. Siya ba naman yung meron ditong pinakamaraming attempts, 12 out of 21 sa field goal. Pero hindi yung sapat para sila dito manalo. Nakulangan lang kasama ng scorer itong MVP dahil sinusundan naman yan dito ni Cason Wallace na may 17 points. And the rest, mga bench ng OKC Thunder na may tig 12 points sila dito ni Alex Caruso at Jared McCain. Samantalang 7 points si Hatterstein, Chet Holmgren only 4 points. At heto, panoorin natin dito ang kanilang championship ceremony ng San Antonio Spurs.
The Western Conference Championship trophy is named after one of the greatest to ever director. Peter, trophy's yours.
Ang pinakauna-una naman ditong tinanong ang head coach ng San Antonio Spurs na si Mitch Johnson kung ano daw masasabi niya dito sa pinakita ng kanyang koponan. Pakinggan natin ang kanya ditong sinabi.
Giving themselves to each other, and what a series. Oklahoma City's a hell of an organization, and there's been a lot being talked about. Words like competitiveness, they don't give a damn about the word experience.
What was going on as you prepared for this opportunity here tonight?
But we've played this team 12 times now, and executed, and they did that.
Well, after nyan, pinangaralan naman dito ang Finals MVP ng Western Conference. Ng San Antonio Spurs, wala nang iba.
Western Conference Finals Most Valuable Player, the winner of the Magic Johnson Trophy as the 2026, Victor Wembanyama. Wemby, that's yours.
Natanong naman dito si Wemby sa pagkakapanalo nila kung ano dito ang kanyang pakiramdam nung nakita niyang panalo na sila at wala ng oras para dito sa Oklahoma City Thunder. Eto, pakinggan natin dito ang sinabi ni Victor Wembanyama.
Realizing that some part of a childhood dream is gonna come true, I can't explain it. It's so powerful. They don't even know how much I love them. They're just incredible. Everybody stepped up tonight. This doesn't mean anything, but the fact that we're a team, we got that together, and it for me, for all of us, and for all the fans right here. Everything, we want 4 more, we're not done. Go Spurs, go!
Congratulations, guys. Continue celebrating.
So yun, congratulations dito sa San Antonio Spurs. So abangan naman natin ang laban naman nila dito sa New York Knicks. Siguradong kaabang-abang ang matchup na naman na ito sa NBA Finals. Magkabawi kaya dito ang San Antonio Spurs nung tinalo sila sa NBA Emirates Cup ng New York Knicks mga idol? Abangan natin talaga ito.